Hey everybody, here is a video today on the Brutus Monroe October Inspiration Kit. I know it's already November, but it took that long for this kit to come here, but it's worth every penny, I'm sure. So I thought I'd just show it to you. This is the box. Look how awesome that is. Such a cool picture on the front, and if anything inside is like it looks like on the outside, it's going to be a good kit. So we're going to start by unveiling. Taking out our package now. And like usual, the first item that I'm going to pull out is our flare pin. And this pin is pretty cute. It's a little unicorn in a coffee cup. Look at that. Pretty stinking cute. So if you have a pin collection, these pins are pretty cool, and you get one in every kit. Our second item I'm going to pull out is our very fun and cool sequins. And these ones are really nice. They're kind of like a nice warm color tone to them. You've got gold and some browns and some creamy colors. It's a nice selection of colors. The next item is our 3-pack of ribbon. You get 1 yard of each. You've got cream, kind of a browny taupey color, and a deep brown color. So that's a nice selection of different ribbons. It's all color coordinating. Next item you get is the die cut. And this is supposed to be a coffee stain. So it's kind of cool. Neat little stencil. So that'd be kind of neat on some of your pages. Our next item, I'm going to have to take it out, is the toner cards. And again, like I've mentioned in previous kits, you can either color these in, or if you have a ink machine, you can use the foil and foil these. You get 2 of each design. The first design is s'mores. That is so cool. So you've got your graham cracker and your chocolate and your marshmallow. This one is a marshmallow on a stick with this cute little face. The next one is a coffee cup with a sleeve. And the next one is a bunch of marshmallows. So look how cute that is. So those are your toner cards, and again, you can use those with your Mink, or you can even color them in with your Copics or Silhouette, or not Silhouette, sorry, your Chameleons, or anything else you have that might work to do that. Our next item is our Marshmallow Puff embossing powder. And I'm going to open this up and show you. It's a nice milky white color, so that'd be really neat on any of your projects. And that's the Marshmallow Puff. Wow, this kit just keeps getting better and better. This next item, and this is pretty cool, is our die cut. So I'm going to show you one here so it shows up. You've got your coffee cup, and you've got coffee beans. You've got another, that's like your disposable coffee cup. You have your coffee mug and a spoon. So look at that. Isn't that neat? Look at those die cuts. So that's a neat die cut set. You can use that with your Vagabond or your any of your die cutting machines. Next is our stamp set, and this one is called S'more Coffee. look at that. That is so neat. You've got a lot of different stamps here. Let's see how many are in total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18. There's 37 stamps on here. So these are pretty cool. The sayings on here say, I'll toast to that. S'more kit. I love you, s'more. You make me a happy camper. Let's get toasty and you make me melt. So that is a really cool stamp set. And our next items. This here, you get 2 of these. It's either supposed to be a mount, or maybe it's the front of a card, or maybe you could even make, if you're doing something else, a sleeve for a coffee cup with these. You could use these pretty much for anything, but you've got 2 of these, and they look like they're about a 6 by 6. And lastly are your papers that you get in every kit. You get 8.5 by 11 papers in this beautiful, almost like a, I guess, a wisteria color, like a purpley blue color. This yellow shade. And you get 2 sheets of white and your gold glitter. So you've got your 5 sheets. You get these 2, your stamp set, your toner sheets, and there's 8 of those, your stencil, your die cuts, your dies, your ribbon, your sequins, your embossing powder, and you get the collectible stamp pin. Pretty cool stamp set and inspiration kit from Brutus Monroe, and again, that's the S'more Coffee inspiration box. This kit is still available on brutusmonroe.com. Go check it out today, and you could even sign up for the yearly kit special where you get every kit delivered to you every month. Don't forget to like this feed and tell all your friends about it, and happy crafting, friends!